So guys, what we have here is our GBPJPY. So we would analyze it. I mean, I did analysis, was it on the 22 or on the 23? We predicted that this GBP would actually drop to take out this liquidity area here. And guess what? We even had that move on Friday, the last day of the week, which was on Friday. See this huge movement where I predicted that we would actually take out this lows, which actually did. I know a lot of you actually took the trade and enter. So this GBP JPY, we would want to analyze this price for the week. We want to see where this price will be moving for the week. So in order to be able to get such a price and understand it, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's see it on the monthly time frame for better and understanding, which we'll be able to understand. Now let's see it this way. I mean, first of all, we had this drop on GBP JPY, right? Then it got to a time it actually pushes up. Then another drop occurred on GBP JPY. Then we saw this push up. Now what I can see here again is I think we are still on a bullish move on this GBP JPY. I don't think we will be having that drop anytime soon. We are still on a bullish move. Now if you to see it to the right, at one time price was above 10 period moving average. It was this candlestick of this recent month we had. This price broke below 10 period moving average. We all know once price is below 10 period moving average, we are too short. So is this movement downward over? Well, I don't think so, but I know it will be over anytime soon. Now see it this way. We had the bullish move here. There was a correction that was made. We had another bullish move which actually broke this previous highs. Then a correction was made. Another bullish move was occurred in this GBP JPY. Then for some time, it's kind of range. It kind of range within this area. So it came to this top 3 times. One, we saw another huge week. Two, we saw another huge week that rejected. Three. So price kind of rejected. But by the way, it has not given us that pullback. By the way, if you have to see it, so price have come back to this level now. See, it's at this previous level where price reacted to. So what we would be expecting is a bullish move, right? So I mean, anytime soon, like I said, anytime soon, we would be seeing a bullish move on GBPJPY. Like I said, we are still bearish. We are still on a bearish move on GBPJPY. So if you want to short this, then it is fine. But have it in mind, in back of your mind, that anytime soon we would actually push up on GBPJPY because the bearish move will actually will be over. And even let's just assume if we are going to continue to drop, let's just assume we will be dropping on GBPJPY. We would take this as an impulse move downward, right? Then at least we should be seeing a correction, right? I mean, that correction itself will be bullish, right? So like I said before, a bullish move will occur. I mean, bullish move will occur anytime soon. So watch out for it. Just in case if we are now on a bearish move on our GBPJPY, at least a pullback should occur, which will be bullish. So monthly time frame we are bearish, but a pullback will be occurring soon, which will give us a bullish move. So we will be expecting a bullish move anytime soon. Downward to this week weekly time frame, which we predicted. See it this way. So price actually was kind of going up. So it's actually rejected at this area multiple times, right? So price came here, bounce, multiple times. So 3 times, it dropped up again, rejected at this level. Why? We were once ranging within this area. If you were following this channel consistently, we see how we were ranging. When I said, okay, if we drop to this support, we go to the resistance, come to the support and every other thing. So we were once ranging on this GBPJPY. So now once took this down as a support level. So one price came to this level. We also predicted that this price will actually drop to take out this liquidity area. I actually predicted. You can go back and watch it. It will be probably on the 22 or on the 23. I did the analysis. I think 22 or 20. It was on the 22. Yeah. So I mean, the price will actually drop to it this week. Now on that Friday, we actually drop and we actually got to that week. Like I said again, do you think we will still be dropping? Yeah, I still think we would actually have a little bit of a drop, possibly to this level here, as we can see on this weekly time frame, possibly to this level here, before we actually go bullish. Now I'll tell you why I'm trying to predict this move to come to this level of 150 is that if we are to roll down to this our JPY index, now see it this way. JPY index, we are bearish, right? We see this price, it has actually been dropping, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So price was actually dropping, right? Which means we are bearish. So at one time, price started ranging. So I mean, once price comes to this support, it tends to push up to our resistance, come to our support again, push up to our resistance. So it was once ranging, right? Now price actually broke this level, which was our support level. So this was our previous support level. So it was resistance up, support down. Price actually broke the support level we were talking about. The out of the daily analysis we were doing, we actually predicted that price will come to hit the support level, right? And guess what again? Price hits the support level and now it is going bullish now. What you can see here is that we are aiming for one next key level that this JPY index will be aiming for. And there's one level we are all seeing. It is the resistance level up here. This the resistance level is the next level we would want this JPY index to roll up to. So I mean, price has actually reacted to this resistance level multiple times. So we would want to see it come to that resistance level again. So basically, once this JPY index is rising up, is pushing up to this resistance level, then I can assure you that this GBP to JPY will drop. So basically, as that JPY is going up, which means JPY index is giving us that bullish move, then the GBP itself will drop. Even if you look at this GBP index, I can't find the index now, but probably later, if you watch my GBP analysis, I'll show you the index there. So if you look at the GBP index, you see that GBP too we are also bearish. I mean, take a look at GBP USD, you see this massive, bearish move. Even this GBP like GBP New Zealand dollar, see this drop. If you look at all these GBP PS2, like as a correlation, you can see it, GBP odd, you are still bearish. So I mean, GBP PS, we are actually bearish. Then definitely our GBP index is bearish. So this on our GBPJPY, we are seeing a bullish move on our JPY index, right? And GBP index is bearish. Then I can show you that on our GBPJPY, once markets open, we are still going to drop, right? We are still going to drop. Let's see if this price will actually drop to this next level here. We can see. Let me just drag it down a little bit. We can see the price reacted at this level on GBPJPY. It reacted here again, reacted at this level, reacted at this, kind of, it was close to the level, by the way. So I mean, price actually has broken up below this level here, right, which has broken below it. Now this is the level where price has reacted to this down here, so we will be expecting to actually drop to it, so which is about close to 49. I think that is be 150, close to 149.500. So guys, we still have good amount of drop. At least we still have, well, we still have close to 500 pips drop. So I mean, GBPJPY, we still have good amount of drop to be made on GBPJPY. And also notice that this thing is a volatile pair. So I mean, do not be surprised if you actually hit this this pip immediately, because it is very, very volatile. So GBPJPY, we are expected to go bearish.